Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson L3160 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network, to the wireless network. To do it, you need to open the settings and find here network settings. As you can see, here we have Wi-Fi setup wizard. Click on it, and here we have two options: Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct. Of course you can use Wi-Fi direct, but this connection is not too stable. Of course, if you have Wi-Fi direct router, so it's a good idea to connect with Wi-Fi direct. But now Wi-Fi direct, it's a very old technology that no one smartphone is supporting it, no one iPhone supported, no one new Android device supported, only old Android devices supporting Wi-Fi direct, so we don't need it right now. Choose Wi-Fi, recommend. You can print wirelessly from computer and devices via Wi-Fi. Click OK. Here we have Wi-Fi setup wizard, VPS button, and others. So we need VPS or setup wizard. So if you have access to your router, so you can just click on the VPS button on your router. Every router has the VPS button, and then just try to connect to the Wi-Fi. Just click OK here, and your printer will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi router. But if you have no access to the Wi-Fi router, you will need to enter the password from your printer. So click setup wizard, and we will need to try to find, of course, your printer, your Wi-Fi network. In my case it's HR Wi-Fi, and now we need to enter the password. So here, to move, we need to use this button. So for example, I wanna enter numbers, so in this way I switch in between large letters, small letters, and symbols and numbers. And now, for example, I need to enter 1, next 2, 1, 2. Then I need to enter several large letters. And numbers again. Cool. Then just click enter, so check your password, and then click OK to connect to the Wi-Fi network. I hope I have entered proper password. Setup complete. Did you want to print report? So I don't want to print the report right now. And cool, that's it. As you can see, I have connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now I have the signal icon full. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.